Let's add tilt more and tilt less implementation, and after that we are going to add the function for clamp to Kawakami and clamp to Adelaide. First, let's do tilt more. The first thing we need to do is to get the camera position. Google map.get camera position. We want to get the current amount of tilt from the current camera position. So the current tilt is current camera position dot tilt. For the new amount of tilt, we are simply going to add 10 to the current tilt. So float new tilt equals to current tilt plus 10. Let's copy paste this for tilt less too, but we are going to reduce the amount of current tilt by 10. Okay. The tilt must be between 0 and 90. So the new tilt equals to, if new tilt is bigger than 90, set the amount to 90. Otherwise, set the amount of new tilt that we have gotten from here. And after that, I am going to get the new camera position. Camera position equals to new camera position dot builder and I'm going to give it current camera position and tilt the current camera position by the new tilt that we have made over here and build the camera position. So basically this line is our new camera position. We have set it with the new amount of tilt. And let's move the camera. Google map dot move camera to camera factory, update, camera update factory, new camera position, camera position. The code for tiltless is the same as tilt more, with the difference we are going to reduce the amount of tilt by 10 and we need to check it to stop the amount of tilt at 0. If this is bigger than 0, set it to new tilt, otherwise set the value to 0. Also, I am going to copy these lines over here. Let's talk about clamp, and after that I will run the application and see what happens. For the clamp, we had two values on the top over here, Adelaide bounds and Kawakami bounds. So clamp is basically setting the map to a bound, or actually defining a bound for a map, and you can't scroll or move outside of that bounds. For Adelaide bound and Kawakami bound, clamp to Kawakami, I am going to call Google Map dot set that LAN bounds for camera target. For this one, I am calling Kawakami bounds, and after that, I am going to move the camera to Kawakami. Kawakami. And actually, we haven't added the value for Kawakami over here. Did we? Oh, we didn't add the value for Kawakami. Let's do that now. Okay, this is the Kawakami location. and I'm going to call the same methods for Adelaide. With the difference, I'm calling the Adelaide bounce and moving the camera to Adelaide. Let's run the application and see what have we done here. Okay, the first thing is this was for the tilt. Let's tilt less. We can't tilt less than 0. It is currently 0. Let's tilt more. You see, this is tilt more and this is tilt less. If I clamp to Kawakami, it goes to Kawakami and I can't go outside of the bounds. You see, if I press the move camera to the left, it won't because we have bounded the map to a certain location. We can clamp to Adelaide. You can see we have gone to Adelaide and we can't go outside the amount of bounds that we have created. Let's go to Sydney. We have gone to Sydney, but we can't still go out of the bounds. Let's zoom out a bit. We can't go out of the bounds still. So to deactivate the bound, I am going to call this method for Sydney. With the difference, I am bounding to nothing. I don't want to bound the map. I also don't want to bound the map for Bondi, not even for Adelaide. And in play animation, I want to add this code to let's run it now. This time when I clamp to Kawakami, for example, if I click on go to Sydney, now we have set the camera bounce to null, which means I can freely go to wherever I want. Okay? If I want to clamp again, clicking there, the clamp is here. It's set to Kawakami bounce. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, and if you like our videos, please like them or add a comment or share it with your friends.